Hello and welcome back, guys. So let's do the daily review right there. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah, now it's good. I'm like, fuck. Have I opened something which I have notes on? Thank God. It is not that important. I mean, it is important. I'm doing the 2024 bootcamp, which is what I'm understanding. Also, I've took the trade going crazily in profit like anything. This just can't push down. This has to come up, have the retracement, and it is going to push to downside. How in the world is it pushing? And also it doesn't have the wick to the upside. If I just move it, it just don't have the it does have, but it needs to have more big line, as this has the big line. Same, it needs to have the big line to the upside, which you can see it don't have. So I predict that it just like, if oh shit, if this is continue to keep pushing downside, then we will be like, yeah, this is the trade is going to hit or take profit pretty soon. But I still believe it just need the retracement, and then it is going to push it downside, because market don't work like this. It has to have some retracement. So this is how it looks like. Okay, fuck. I just go into daily review. I need to do that. What it is? I just go into a trade recap rather than doing the daily review. And I really my goal about this trade is to fucking hit the stop loss. I don't want to make money in this trade. I want to lose money. I want this trade to hit the stop loss. I want to lose that dollars. I don't want to make money over here. That's actually keep me calm. All right, so daily review, huh? So okay, lecture 14. Let me just check it out. Now you can. Yeah, we can. 155, right? This is a lecture. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? Fuck it. Okay, so 155. That means 1 hour 55 minutes has passed of a lecture 14. That means this has already been done. This is been done. Now this is actually in progress. This is in progress. So because this is for lecture 14, continue. So let's do the daily review. We need to finish in within 5 minutes. So let's do it. Database inline. Database daily review. We need a table. Absolutely, I need this to sort it with the date schedule. That's literally is it. So 12th is the yesterday's daily review, and the task's name was lecture 14, lecture 14 and lecture 15. Have I done it halfway? Why? Because I was working on previous tasks. That's the only solution. That's the only why. There was no other why. Solution is, there is no fucking solution right there. We got behind, we're so packed right now, we just don't have any solution for this, because every single lecture was scheduled exactly on a time. And if I just don't do one lecture because of some reason, I gone out for dinner or some kind of thing, I just get fucking lost in the whole entire schedule. So now it is very hard to come back. There is one option. There is only one option, that is the take. Either I take the holiday for the job for one day and just come back, or on Saturday there is a full holiday. On I just like, the water is falling or what? Holy shit! I think so. It is. Fuck. What? No, it is. It is. It is filling the tank. Because there's some time that the water just fall down because the pipe just comes out. Yeah, for some fucking time. So on Saturday we can recover all of this. The lectures we are behind. Now we are behind like 1.5 lectures. Continue to do what it is. Just focus on today's hours tomorrow. Recover it. Recover pending. tasks on Saturday. That's all we can do. SATURDAY. Okay, cool. Have I done it? Still ongoing. Have I done it? Lecture 13. Yes, it is done. So this is the issue. Completed. Done. Now this is ongoing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Signing off. That's the only daily review is looks like. Have I done the task which has already been assigned to me? If yes, awesome. If no, why? Figure out the solution. Stick to it. That's it. That's fucking it. Signing off, brother. Thank you so much for staying tuned with the daily review. And I hope you will be also get successful. You should be using this exact schedule. You should be scheduling your whole entire week, whole entire life,
It's 17:45.
because you need to be scheduling. You need a roadmap to walk on. If you don't know what you're going to do now or some after 1 hour, fucking wasting your time. What are you doing, man? You are a man. You are a guy, my brother. You are a guy. You can't waste your time. So yeah, this is what it is. Signing off. Let's do the trade review in the next video. I'll actually going to do the trade review.